It's a corruption. It's a dysfunction of the way God made it.
And if we catch you involved with a homosexual, then the rest of your life will be a living hell.
And God says that marriage is between a man and a woman.
It's unnatural.
If you appreciated the service, those words aren't anointed, and holy water that you soak in has been poisoned when everyone else is more comfortable remaining voiceless rather than fighting for humans that have had their rights stolen. I might not be the same, but that's not important. No freedom till we're equal, damn right I support it. No law is gonna change us, we have to change us. Whatever God you believe in, we come from the same one. Strip away the fear, underneath it's all the same love. About time to be raised up, sex.
It is time to give our loving gay and lesbian couples the right to a marriage license.
We deserve to experience love fully, equally, without shame and without compromise.
Why should they be denied the right to share their life together?
Made an entire country realize that love is love.
With